Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. So today we are going to make this beautiful style padded blouse. It has a front zipper on it, and it's going to also have puff sleeve on it also. And we are using this beautiful Ankara fabric to make this simple style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, like and comment, and please don't forget to also give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And guys, another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end. Please always do that. Always watch my tutorials down to the end, guys. So we are going to make justice to this style. All we need is our fabric, and we need our elastic. That's what we need. And you also need your scissors also. So guys, can see how beautiful the style is. Very simple style for you to learn how to cut and sew on your own. You can wear it out on your jean, you can wear it on your skirt. It's a beautiful style that you can rock anywhere, any day. So guys, keep on watching, and you can also watch other tutorials that I have on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut and sew these other styles that we have on my channel. So guys, keep on watching so that you'll be able to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So guys, keep on watching. So let's get started now with our tutorial.
So this is our material that we are using to make this top. So this is the length, so it's up shoulder. This is how you make your up shoulder, taking away from your tape rule. So that is my zipper front, because it has the zipper at the front. So 1 inch is what I'm giving throughout. So you just roll it. So after that, we'll now measure our nipple to nipple. So that my nipple to nipple that I'm measuring there is 3.5. So that my 3.5. So you just give it a straight line. So after that is to measure our nipple line now. So my nipple that I'm giving out there is 9. Under bust is 12, while the waistline, that is the half length, is 16. So that is 16 there. And this is how you also make your top. So what I'm making, cutting there now, that is adding 1.5 to get our bustier cup that will cup out very well. So that is what I'm also measuring, and that is how you also make your own when doing your own. So from my under bust, I'm connecting it now so that it will cup out. So can you see what I've done there? So this is how you also make your own when doing your own. So coming to the center of it now, I'm not giving out 1 inch also. So that is the center side I'm giving out, that is 1 inch. So you can see how it's forming out now. So now we'll start our measurement proper now. So when making your measurement, you start from the zipper line. So that is I'm starting my zipper line. So my bust measurement there that I give out is 36, adding all the one that will subtract, that is to cut out, and add it back so that it will not short our measurement. So coming to the waistline, this is how you also make it. So you can see where I'm placing my tape rule. This is how you also place your tape rule when making it, because it has a zipper front. So you start from that line that will marked before you start with your measurement. This is how you also make it. So you can see it's up shoulder that we are making, remember, and it will have a puff sleeve on it. So that the connection have connect everything together. So to the downside of it, I just want to curve it a little, and that is what I give out there, 1 inch to just curve at the downside. So now my length that I've used on this blouse is 21. So remember, it's 21. Remove it from your tape rule. So now we have done with the measurements. So I'm cutting it out now. So that is the middle side of it that I'm cutting. So I'm also opening it from the zipper front because it has a zip, remember that. So that is my notching for the nipple. And coming to the under bust, you also notch it to indicate it. So that is what I've done there now. So that is the side of it now for the cup that we are making, that is the bustier. So this is how it will come out. So can you see the shape now? It has come out. So that is the front side of it, and after that is the back side. We just lay our material to the back and use the front to cut it out. So can you see what I've done there now? Remember, the back will now have a zipper now, because the zipper will come to the front, and that is what we have done when making this top. So this how you also place it when making your own. So can you see how I'm doing it now to cut the back side of it? Now I just use my scissors to lay at that side of the front so that it will not appear at the back, because it's the back that we are cutting, not the front. We already make the front out. So this is how you also cut your own. So just look at every detail that I'm doing and do it, and you get it the way you are seeing me do. So I'm notching there for you to see that that is the side of it, so that you not get it mistake. So that is the upper side too, to know that that is the middle part of the front of the back. So now we are done with that. So I want to show you how you can use your padding to pad your bustier. So this how it is now. So what I'm doing there now is for me now to use the front side. Remember, it's the front that I'm marking now. So it's a word that I'm using to make this padding. So this how you also cut it. Just lay to the underbust. Is the from the underbust is what I place it, so that by the time you want to sew, you just place it at the underbust. So I've notched it for the nipple, and that is the middle side of it now. And you also cut it out, because it will have front side of it, and that is what I want to do. So this how you also make it. This is the front of it that we have cut now. Remember, what I use is a waddy that I used to cut it. So this is how you place it, and you go and sew. So now is the side of it now. So this is how you also place it. Can you see what I'm pointing at for you to see? To the underbust, that is where you cut. So that is where you can see me doing my own. So when making your own, this is how you also make it, and it will come out. So can you see the way I'm shaping it out to the underbust side, and you place it, you go and stitch it together, and it will come out. So this is the nipple point that I just notch, so that it will appear. So now we are done without. So you can see that I've ironed it and I've sewed it. Even the front and the back is ready. So what I want to do is just for us now to cut the neck, because you know I've not cut out the neck. So this is how you also place your own, make your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end, so that more people can see it and learn from it. So that is the neck. The neck that I'm giving is 3.5. The cleavage is just 1 inch that I added at the front side of it. So that is the armhole. So now we'll come to the measurement proper and add everything that you see me doing here is correspond. That is the allowance that we added when cutting it is correspond. So this how you also make it. It's a sweetheart neck that I want to cut at the front, and that's what I'm doing there, that you can see me. And the back side of it, we give it round neck, and that is what I've done there now. So what I'm doing now is the back now. So you can see the way I placed it for the front not to appear. So now we have cut the front and the back, and we'll go and stitch it together. So I'm just showing you how it is now. So that is the front side of it now, that have a zipper front. So after that now is our sleeve. So this is our sleeve now. Remember, the sleeve is a puff sleeve that we will use elastic to bob it out. So I'll go and stitch it, and that's what I'm showing you, and it will be ready. So now I want to stitch it now. So I'm using my safety pin with my elastic to gather it out, so that it will puff out. So the two sides of it will have a puff sleeve, like the rubber. So this is what I'm doing now. So I'm putting it on the two down and the upper side, and to puff out. And now it's ready. Like the front, the two sleeve is ready now. So you just use your safety pin to hold it, so that you take it to the machine and go and stitch. So this is the two sleeve, and we'll go and stitch it on the body now. It will be ready.
You can see that our blouse is ready. Our padded blouse with front zipper and the puff sleeve is ready for us to wear out. Very beautiful. So guys, you saw how we're able to make this style, and if you don't understand it very well, all you need to do is for you to rewatch this video again and again, so that you can understand how to cut and sew it on your own. It's a simple style, and how we did the bustier, very simple. You can also learn how to cut it. If you don't understand it, just watch it again, guys. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share, comment, and give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. So guys, another way for you to also support my channel to grow is for you to watch my tutorial down to the end. Please always do that. Watch my tutorials down to the end. You can see how flexible, how beautiful this style is. Thank you so much for watching. Keep a date with me. Bye bye.